So now it's time to consolidate your mihi. It's important to note we've attached a poster that has all of the options in English in Māori. So now you get to pick and choose which ones you might say in English and which you might say in Māori. For some of you, you might want to say the whole lot in Māori, or the whole lot in English, or make a mix of both. The important part is, some might be easier to say in Māori, like ko rua pihu tōku maunga would be me, and others might be harder to say in Māori. And the important thing is, we don't want you to miss an opportunity to share something that's important to you by demanding that you deliver that in the Māori language, which is why we're giving you both options, English and Māori. When you get good, you might be able to explore using other languages as well, especially if they're languages that are within your ancestry and your genetics. Kia ora.